In 2025, the SUV world has gone wild, massive horsepower, jaw-dropping interiors, and tech that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. These aren't just cars, they're rolling 5-star hotels. Today, we're counting down the top 5 biggest and most luxurious full-size SUVs of 2025. And trust me, number 1 has a feature no other SUV on the planet can match. If you ask anyone in America to name the most iconic luxury SUV, odds are they'll say Escalade. And for 2025, Cadillac has doubled down, bigger presence, bolder style, and tech that's basically the cockpit of a private jet. Exterior glow-up, a massive new grille, squinting LED daytime lights, and huge 24-inch wheels that demand attention. Inside, a curved 55-inch OLED display, yes, 55 inches across the dash. That's bigger than some TVs in people's living rooms. Comfort, semi-aniline leather, 16-way power seats with massage, and a 36-speaker AKG studio reference sound system that'll make you feel like you're in a concert hall. Power, standard 420 horsepower V8 or, if you're wild enough, the Escalade-V has supercharged 6.2L pumping 682 horsepower. Speed, the V model blasts from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds, in an SUV that weighs over 6,000 pounds. Price range, $89,500 to $161,900. This is for the driver who wants to make an entrance, every single time. Jeep isn't just about mud and trails anymore. The Grand Wagoneer proves they can build a true luxury contender, and still haul the boat. Looks, big, bold, and unmistakably Jeep with massive 22-inch wheels. Interior, seats up to 8 with leather so plush you'll never want to get out. Wood trim, brushed metal, and a front passenger screen so your co-pilot can watch Netflix while you drive. Power, a 540 horsepower turbocharged inline-six, smooth, strong, and perfect for towing up to 10,000 pounds. Tech, premium Macintosh audio system, massaging seats, and even a cooler in the center console for road trip drinks. Downside, fuel economy isn't its strong point, but if you're buying a Grand Wagoneer, you're not exactly counting pennies at the pump. Price range, $84,950 to $110,000 plus. This is for people who want their SUV to feel like a private lodge on wheels. The Yukon Denali has always been a status symbol in suburbia, but the Denali Ultimate takes it to a whole new level. Presence, new grille, animated lighting, and optional 24-inch wheels that look like rolling jewelry. Interior, open-pore wood laser-etched with topographical maps, chrome accents, and second-row executive seating that's pure first-class airline luxury. Tech, a vertical 12.8-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 22-speaker Bose system. Power, 420 horsepower 6.2L V8 or a 305 horsepower Duramax diesel for long-haul efficiency. Towing, up to 8,200 pounds, so you can bring the toys along. Price, starts at $68,900, a surprisingly low entry for a truck that feels this premium. Infiniti went all out for 2025, and the QX80 might just be the sleeper hit of the year. Design, based on the monograph concept, upright stance, dramatic lighting, full-width LED rear bar. Cabin, 3 rows with massaging seats in both the first and second row. Plus, an infrared passenger comfort system that detects if someone's too hot and automatically adjusts climate settings. Entertainment, 24-speaker Klipsch audio system, massive dual screens, and a fully digital driver cockpit. Power, 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 replacing the old V8, quicker and more efficient. Towing, up to 8,500 pounds. Economy, 16 city/20 highway MPG, not bad for its size. Price range, $84,445 to $112,590. Perfect for those who want Lexus-level comfort with Nissan's reliability DNA. Before we dive in, here's a challenge. Which one of these giants would you take on a coast-to-coast road trip? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm betting most people won't choose the one you think. And here it is, the undisputed king of American luxury SUVs in 2025. The Lincoln Navigator is less of a car and more of a moving luxury suite. Exterior, a new split-gate tailgate, copper accents in the black label trim, and 24-inch turbine wheels. Interior, a jaw-dropping 48-inch panoramic display stretching across the dashboard, part infotainment, part art gallery. Seating, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats in all 3 rows. Yes, even the third row gets heated cushions. Themes, exclusive, enlightened, and atmospheric, black label themes with unique materials and colors. Power, 440 horsepower twin-turbo V6 paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic. Towing, up to 8,700 pounds. Speed, 0 to 60 in about 5.3 seconds, lightning fast for something this massive. Price range, $91,990 to $120,000 plus. This is the SUV for people who want to arrive not just in style, but in total dominance. So there you have it, the 5 biggest and most luxurious SUVs of 2025. Which one would you park in your driveway? The Speed Demon Escalade-V? The tech-packed QX80? Or the kingly Navigator? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this ride, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a fellow car enthusiast. Trust me, we've got some even crazier cars coming next.